I'm done hold on. I recently made slime collection. So I recently made this like a little bit, but I only have a little bit of them. So yeah, let's do it. First that I just did today was this one. And the ingredients to make this kind of slime is borax. You need some borax, any kind of borax. You'll just need borax and glue. Put the borax in warm water or hot water to make it dissolve faster. Put it in like a cup like this or something, and it will make slime, I'm telling you. It does it really fast. I will do a slime making on my channel. It's just I don't have enough glue to make another slime. So yeah. Anyways guys, this is my first video, I think. I haven't checked my channel in a long time. I just felt like doing a video. Yeah, so this is my green one that I made today. And it doesn't have like little wrapping around it like all the other ones. The second one is my biggest, I think. I only have small ones, but they're gonna upgrade. But yeah, I have this small one. It's a pink one, the first one I made. It's really, really stretchy because I put a lot of lotion. But yeah. So yeah. Sorry. So I just need to fix the writing problem. So yeah, now let me wrap this up. The next one is, what should I do first? This one, my second biggest. I think the green's my second biggest. This is the third, I'm pretty sure, biggest. So yeah, this is it. I can't look right. I don't want like something to happen to me because it's the borax in it. But yeah, this is my borax and water. It looks like that. And yeah, it just looks like, oh, it broke easily because you have to like roll it up around. Okay, now wrapping thing. Yeah, I don't know if you guys. So I think this is my smallest one, but this one is the second smallest. I mean the bigger big, but this one isn't small because I didn't have enough glue, like I said. Whoa. When you make it with borax, you probably will need a lot of lotion to make it like soft and stuff. I can't. Whoa. Okay. Okay, I'm still doing this video. Hopefully we'll stop the video and read. Okay. So just do it where it was before. Okay, so I have this one. Again, this is just like purple, like gum or something. It breaks easily. And the last one is right here. And it's this one. I'm just gonna take this out and see. I think it's my stretchiest one. Yeah, I'm gonna do the whole. So yeah, pretty much there's gonna be more slimes in the past. This is pretty much my first slime video. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and like that. Smash that like button, like that like button. And if you did enjoy, then smash that like button and subscribe if you are new to my channel, because I'm trying to get to a lot of subscribers. And so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.